Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to learn about how to prompt the Gemini API in Python with a video. So if you haven't used the Gemini API before, you're going to need to go to Google Cloud, create a Google Cloud project with billing enabled, and then go to Google AI Studio and create a Gemini API key linked to that Google Cloud project with billing enabled. And the safest way to use that Gemini API key is to put it in a .env file so it's not exposed. As someone having your Gemini API key is kind of like someone having your credit card, and you don't want them to run it up. You could also just do API key equals API key and put your API key right there. That's called hard coding it, but that's a little bit less safe, and you really don't want to do that. So you want to put it in a .env file so you can reference it safely, and that's what I've done here. Okay, so this is kind of the tutorial file we're going to use to prompt the Gemini API key, Gemini API with a video. So we've got our imports, and if you're getting errors with any of these, you'll just need to pip install them. Of course, you're going to need to pip install the Google Gen AI, pip install Google-Gen AI. I already have it. I've already pip installed all of this. So start by pip installing all of that. Okay. Loading our client here. Gemini API can't accept videos directly. You have to use the file API. That's kind of what's going on here. And something to note is that even after the video finishes processing and all the frames are tokenized so the Gemini API can accept it, it's not quite ready yet. This is just kind of something simple. I just have it waiting 25 seconds after the video processing is complete, and that's working for this video. But for a larger video, you're going to want something programmatically better that waits until the video is in an active status. But for simplicity's sake, this is what I have for this video. Okay, so the video we're going to be prompting Gemini with is 5-minute videos of a bunch of animals. And of course, we're not going to watch this because Gemini can parse it for us and tell us exactly what's going on. Cool. So, for each scene in the video, give us captions that describe this scene, along with any spoken text, and put the captions with timecodes. Okay, cool. There's a bunch of different Gemini models you can use. I use the cheapest one because these API calls do cost you money after the $300 trial period. Alrighty, let's go ahead and give this bad boy a run and prompt Gemini API with a video. So I'm going to click start, and I believe this will take a minute or two, so I'm going to see you when it finishes running. The video frames are going to be tokenized, given to Gemini, and we're going to take a look at the output, and I'll see you then. Okay, so that took a long time, but wow, did it give us what we asked for. So you see, we have a timestamp at every single second of the video, I think. A close-up of a furry animal's face. The animal has large, light-colored fur. I mean, man, even every second, if nothing has changed, it's still giving us that. A cougar, 2 foxes, etc. So this is a really cool way to use the Gemini API. Let me know what you think in the comments, and give this a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.